Check out this ranch home in Norcross. This one is the that we featured some time ago. That time this was like a fix-upper. It was listed about $370,000, and then there was quite a few price reductions, but eventually the listing was pulled off the market. Right now it's relisted. Apparently it has been flipped. Now the listing price is over $500,000. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath ranch home built in 1980s. Square footage is about 1,400 square feet. Give you a quick look at neighborhood view. So this is about the second home in the community. No HOA fee. That's a huge selling feature nowadays. So right now we can see the house has a fresh painted exterior. It's painted all white. All the gutters are painted black, so they give us the really sharp contrast. All the window frames are painted black as well. New exterior door, new exterior light, 2-car garage. Looks like they put a new roof in it as well. So it has a new architectural roof shingles. Does have aluminum drip edge. They put in some work on the landscaping as well. You can see all the straws. Try to make the seeds germinate, and you can see the new grass starts to sprout out. Didn't fix this crack on the driveway, but overall it's not too big a deal. Walk around, check out what they did in the backyard. Okay, so they did fix the deck. Now they put in a newer deck board. House looks pretty sharp now. They didn't cut all the big trees in the backyard, but what they did is add a deck. So let's see if they reused any of the other deck piers. So you can see the old concrete here. They're pouring some new concrete. Now these posts are 4x4, nailed to the board, and also to the header board over there. Now for the railing, they put in the cast iron spindle. Yeah, overall pretty sharp. Now the house looks more presentable. Keep walking on the other side. You can see they painted the entire siding and foundation. Right now it looks pretty nice. Fresh mulch in the front. Also the porch has been painted as well. The concrete they painted gray. Now this porch post painted white. Nice looking exterior entry door. We're now in the home. Has a new home smell to it. Has LVP floor. They staged home. So this is the dining area. You can see it's huge contrast than the homes that we just saw. Probably put in a newer window as well. So window is nice. Now this home, the renovation styles, it's imitation of the HGTV. I've appraised one of the HGTV featured homes. It looks like it used the similar style when they renovated the home. Huge contrast with gold light or gold cabinets pull. So this looks exactly like that. Soft closing track. Although this is just an entry-level cabinets, they do look very nice. Textured ceiling. They put in a chimney hood. Now this area the wall has been knocked out, so you do lose some cabinet space, but in return you have a better view of the activities in the living room. They put in quartz countertop, sliding door. They add more cabinet space here. So this is the garage. They painted all the garage floor, painted all the wall. Now this garage has good ceiling height. Laundry area, water heater tank. This is the same from 2018, so nothing has been done. Looks like they put in the new laundry box. You can see new hammer rester, new plumbing fixtures, and they added in a GFI outlet. So something that we can learn is just to take note of the color schemes for the renovation. So over the past a year to 2 years, these light original wood color floor seems to become more and more popular, and for the wall painting, instead of using gray or the neutral color, people just paint them white or use the off-white color. This is the living room. It's been staged. Staging definitely helps your homes to stand out, and it looks very nice both in pictures and when buyers are touring the home. You can see on this side they do put in the accent wall and also have some wood trimmings on the wall, just to add a touch of luxury. Cathedral ceiling, they add in the recessed lights. Turn on all the lights. All right, check out this room. This is the bedroom. Has fresh new carpet. Again, two-tone paint with accent wall. Closet space. Here's the full bath. Full bath has been updated as well, so they use this mosaic tiled floor. They do put in a newer fiberglass top, new tiled wall. Everything is new. Bedroom 2, pretty plain, nothing special, just a new carpet, new paint. That's it. Bedroom 3, new carpet, new ceiling light. The ceiling light is pretty plain. Let's check out the master bedroom and the bathroom. So this is the area where they put in some money. Got the new ceramic tiled floor. These tiles looks pretty sharp. New frameless shower door. They do put in a new shower here. Now this shower door opens very nicely. See, this is a newer style of the drain. Built-in niche in the wall. Look at this gold colored faucet and the fixtures. Here's the same, right? Very simple vanity. Seems like this vintage style vanity, cast iron bowl. Turn on the light in the formal dining area. So this concludes the virtual tour of this ranch home in Norcross. Like I said, this one was listed at $350,000, didn't sell, was pulled off market. Now 2 months after, it was relisted as a flipped home, and now the listing price is over $500,000. I think right now the price is $550,000, and we'll see what's the final sales price.